right here. Todd Cater, what is up, brother? How you doing? You having a good day?
Yep.
Digging the shirt, dude. Loving it.
Thanks.
Nice, dude. Truck looks beautiful, brother. You do so much good work. Yeah. How you like that hearse? That thing's slamming, isn't it? Oh, dude, it just, you don't need to see it, shit. You can hear it. Look at this, guys. Got it all done up. Yeah, looking good. Lots of nice accents in here, guys. This truck's slammed out. We're going to check him out on the inside here in just a minute. Good looking truck. Todd's taken this truck, and over the course of the last year or so, 2 years I think almost now, guys, and he has just done magnificent with this truck. He got the Chevy Cavalier seats in here. Cavalier seats, aren't they? Yeah. Look, he got the big screen in here with the dash. You see all the accents. Got his switches set up, speakers in there. Look back here, guys. You know he's done up back here. Yeah. Todd's been hard at work on this. Nice accents in here. I think he got rid of the flames on the dash, guys. I don't blame him. That seems like that's a lot of glare. Wasn't there flames on the dash? Didn't the dashboard have flames? Yeah, you can't see the reflection's terrible, isn't it? Yeah. I don't blame you. I like this. I would like that dash better too. I really would. Yeah. Is that the same headlights, or those are different, aren't they? Are they the same ones? Yeah. They're clean. They look good. Yeah, check him out, guys. I know he did a lot of suspension work under here. A lot of suspension work. Look how low he sits, man. Yeah, he looks good, It's good to see him out here. One time we can check him out. We got to get a sticker right here, guys. Here it is. Right there. KRMNL Car Club. You see him? Check him out. Yeah. Looks real good, Todd. Brother. It's good seeing you. Listen, be safe going home, man. Hit me later. Big thank you for the A&W. Awesome, guys. I was out here dying of thirst. Todd, he hooked me up with a cold A&W. Changed the whole mood, whole atmosphere. Seeing this truck and a cold A&W, man, it hit the spot, guys. Awesome.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.